Hello friends, Namaste, welcome to my channel. Let's make it lovely. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. For next 2 weeks, I'm going to be posting Diwali decoration videos. So if you don't want to miss them, click that bell icon right away. Now let's get started with an easy puja stool or chowki that you can make with things you have at home. You can use a tin lid of cookies or sweets box, or plastic lids, or even a cardboard circle. Here I'm using leftover blouse piece. You can also use any old dupatta or torn sari pieces you might have. I'm placing lid on the fabric and cutting around, leaving about 1 inch to stick. First I'm going to stick the fabric to the sides using hot glue gun. Make sure you turn it to the front and stretch it a little as you stick, so there are no folds on the top. Fold the remaining fabric in and hot glue it all around. Next, I'm using a smaller round lid from my kitchen to trace a circle onto the cardboard. Next, cut it out using an X-Acto knife or utility knife. Now, using a plate that is bigger than my cardboard circle, I'm cutting a different color fabric. I'm using plain green to complement my pink design fabric. Now placing the cardboard on green fabric, I'm making cuts around as shown. Make sure you don't make the cuts too close to the cardboard. Using glue gun, stick the fabric to the cardboard edges first. Stick the remaining fabric, folding the cuts one by one as shown. Next, I am sticking the green circle in the center of the pink circle. Next, to decorate it a little bit, I am adding this gold lace around the pink circle. If you don't have any lace, try reusing something from your unused dupattas or sari borders. Next, I'm using these fake pearls that I have from long time, and I'm cutting gold beads out of this broken kids play necklace. Again, using hot glue gun, I'm sticking white and gold beads alternatively around the green circle. Now you can stop here and use it as an asan or a puja thali, but I wanted to give it a little height, so I'm painting this old decorative plastic bowl I have with some gold spray paint. You can also use small plastic ice cream boxes or takeout boxes instead of a bowl. Using hot glue, I'm sticking the bowl to the back of my asan right at the center. The puja stool is all ready. You can decorate further with kundans or stones if you like. I placed my Ganesha idol on the puja stool and decorated with candle holders around. I stuck these candle holders to the plastic plate using double-sided foam tape so that they won't slip or slide. I will leave links to these products in the description box below. I hope you liked this video. For more Diwali decoration videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.